Gusto mo bang mag-predict at kumita pero sumasakit yung ulo mo sa mga crypto charts at mga trading jargons? Well, what if sabihin ko sa'yo na pwede ka maging master predictor gamit lang yung isang daliri at no experience needed. So guys, ito yung Swipe One, ang platform kung saan yung prediction market ay kasing daling mag-scroll sa social media, no? Walang charts, walang komplikadong setup at simple, fast and honestly medyo addictive siya, no? So dito guys, makikita natin yung website nila. Scroll down to enter daw. Predict the future in a swipe. So pwede siya sa cellphone, no? Mobile native prediction market where expressor views is as simple as swiping. No complex charts, no trading experience needed. So kahit wala kang experience sa trading or hindi ka magaling mag-chart, pwede ka dito. So guys, let's explore more on this website. Ito sa baba, mobile first, sabi nga nila, pwede siya sa mobile and PC, no? Designed for mobile generation, fast, lightweight, and intuitive swipe gestures. Social prediction, opinion should feel like social media. Watch how the crowd thinks in real time. Instant express, no complex trading interface. So hindi siya kailangan ng parang chart, no? Wala siyang trading and such like chart and etc. So pwede talaga siya sa mga newbie, no? Yung wala pang experience sa trading, pwede dito. If you have a opinion, you can trade it in seconds. How it works? 3 simple steps. So magbibigay siya ng question. For example, this Bitcoin, maghihit ba siya ng 100k this year? Step 2, swipe your opinion. Yes or no lang yung answer, no guys? So basically, mamimili ka lang kung yes or no yung sagot, no? And then swipe your answer, no? Express your belief with a single gesture, no? So one swipe lang siya talaga. Number 3, track the outcome. Dito sa number 3, parang titignan mo kung mananalo ka ba or matatalo, no? That's basically it. That's the 3 simple steps, no? Ito sa baba niya, real world event that matters. If people talking about it becomes a market. Swipe 1 covers topic from crypto to pop culture. So hindi lang siya crypto or hindi lang siya sa trading, no? Meron pang pop culture, no? Predictions are liquid and everyone can participate. So kahit lola mo or yung tita mo pwedeng sumali dito, no? Or yung mga kapitbahay mo pwede rin dito. Faster, simpler and social. Faster than trading, simpler than investing, social than forecasting. Infrastructure built on BNB chain. So BNB chain siya, no? Fast, scalable, and low cost. So maganda yung chain nila, no? BNB. As we all know guys, BNB is napakamura ng fee dito. So dito sa dulo, be early. Swipe 1 is currently in early development. So balita ko guys, itong Swipe 1 is my airdrop, no? As soon as possible, mag-register na kayo dito or itry nyo na to para makauna na kayo, no? Or maka-early kayo dito sa project na to. So let's check more. So dito naman tayo sa points. Check natin itong earn points, track progress, unlock the future, swap 1 points, reward early users. So ayun na nga yung sinasabi ko, no? As soon as possible dapat maging early ka dito. May airdrop daw dito, no? Swipe 1. So as we can see here, upcoming season 0, beta phase pa lang siya, no guys? Upcoming yung beta phase. Nakikita ito dito sa baba. Try the product and earn points. Be among the first to explore Swipe 1 and earn early points by simply using the platform. So dito sa baba, how to earn daw. Swipe on prediction questions. So magpe-predict ka lang dito, no, sa mga tanong. So second, explore different categories, provide early activity signals, stay active, no. Basically maging active ka lang. Palagi kang mag-predict, no, sa mga question na nandito para makarami ka ng points. So basically ito yung mga future plans nila, no. Upcoming season 0.5 pre-deposit phase na, no? Pero I think wala pa ito ngayon. Sabi nga dito, upcoming pa lang. So, commit early and earn more. Dito naman sa season 0.5, deposit early into the platform. Maintain balance over time, continue swiping and participating, no? Dito makakapag-deposit ka na, no? And ang gagawin mo lang para makapag-earn is maintain balance over time daw and continue swiping and participating. So sabi dito, focus early supporters and conviction. And upcoming ulit, season 1, live trading phase na, no? So trade live, earn through activities. So how to earn dito sa season 1? Sabi dito, once Swipe 1 goes live, point will be tied to real market participation. So, how to earn, participate in live prediction market. So, ano nga ba tong generate trading volume? Sa parang trading din, no? So, kung gaano ka kadalas mag-trade, yun yung trading volume mo, no? Stay consistent, active, engage across multiple markets. So, ayun na nga, maging active din ulit para makarami ka ng points, maging active ka lang, no? Points economy, ano nga ba tong points economy nila? How points works? Different season, different opportunities. So sabi dito guys, each season has its own rules. So magkakaiba ng rules per season, no? So additional ways to earn, go beyond just swiping. So ano ba yung ibang ways para kumita dito? Follow official Swipe One channels. So parang socials to, no? Social activities or social quests. Yung additional ways to earn na to, no? So participate in campaigns, events, and always consistently active over time. The more you engage, the more you earn. So, that's the other way para makarami ng points, no? Maging socially active ka lang, no? Basically, this is season 0. Napaka-early pa. Pwede ka pang mag-join, no? Let's check the leaderboard.
And speaking of leaderboards guys, may mabilisang balita muna tayo mula sa Swipe One community. Officially live na yung Swipe One Season 0 Leaderboards Challenge. Simula ngayong June 29 hanggang July 5 at hindi lang ito basta-basta laro lang, no guys, dahil may naghihintay na 10,000 USDT total prize pool para sa top 30 bears na makaka-climb sa leaderboards. And yung winners guys is i-announce sa Discord channel nila doon soon. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check nyo na yung kanilang official X account para sa pool mechanics.
May leaderboards din sila dito, no? See who's leading the future. So, sa leaderboards, paramihan lang ng activity, sabi dito, no? And performance, contributors, and contribution across the platform, no? Para makarami ka ng points dito, maging active ka lang palagi, no? Yun yung way para maging top leader ka dito sa leaderboards, no? From early adapters to top predictors, this is where the most active participants stand. So, hindi lang pagiging active daw yung para makarami ka ng points, no? So kung magaling ka talaga mag-predict, pwede ka rin dito, pwede ka mag-leaderboards dito. User are ranked based on a combination of total points earned, prediction accuracy, yun nga yung sabi ko kanina. Kung magaling ka mag-predict, possible mag-leaderboards ka dito, no? Kung hindi ka naman gaano magaling, pwede ka rin maging active na lang, no? And trading volume, no? Dapat active ka rin mag-trade or mag-predict dito, no? Para mag-leaderboards ka. Track your progress. So dito makikita mo yung progress mo, no, yung current rank. Pwede mo makita dito yung mga top performers, no, kung magaling ka. May recognition ka within the platform. Maybe yung recognition na yun is parang may rewards ka siguro doon, no. Potential rewards or future incentives. Ayun na nga, no, guys. Kung active ka or magaling ka mag-predict. Hindi ka lang kabod nagpe-predict, no, hindi ka lang active. So may potential rewards siya, no, sa future. So see who's leading the future. Swipe One was born from a simple belief. Prediction should feel as natural as possible. Not something all the traders can understand, but something everyone can participate in. Just one simple action, just swipe. So what we believe daw, everyone has insight, not just expert. Not just expert, no? So kahit wala kang experience talaga sa trading, pwede ka dito. So sabi dito, community first. Swipe One is built on a singular principle. 50% of platform fees are dedicated to token buybacks. These tokens are directly redistributed as community rewards. So sabi nga dito, so 50% daw ng platform fees ay dedicated to token buybacks, no? Just in case na bumababa yung price ng token nila, magba-buyback sila, no? Gamit yung 50% platform. These tokens are directly distributed as community rewards. Ito yung parang economics ng Swipe One, no? Ito yung pinaglalaban nila. Ito yung community first. 50% daw ng kita is dedicated to buybacks just in case na bumababa yung token price. And that's pretty much it. That's the website. So kung gusto nyong sumali dito sa Swipe One, no? I'll just put the links in the description para makasali kayo dito, no? So paano nga ba sumali dito? Click mo lang tong early access. To join guys, simply use your Google Play or just using your MetaMask or Wallet Connect, OKX, pwede rin siyang gamitin. And Coinbase wallet, no? So So ito yung mga available na mga wallet and emails, no, na pwedeng gamitin dito sa Swipe One. So let's try to make our account here. Siguro gagamitin ko na lang dito is my Google account. Let's try. Successfully connected. Ayun, nakalagin na tayo. Ayan, nakalagin na tayo. Ayan na yung UI natin, no. Welcome back, Swipe Bear. Ayun na nga guys, napakadali lang sumali dito, no? Just log in your email or just use the available wallets. So you can see here our UI, isang bear. So let's try to explore more. So dito guys, hindi lang siya crypto, no? Hindi lang crypto yung huhulaan dito or ipe-predict mo. May mga word activities lang dito, no? Kung mahilig ka sa politics, ito, pwede kang mag-predict din dito, no? Lalong-lalo na itong sports, no? Napaka-active nitong sports sa mga prediction market, no? Meron din dito. So that's it guys. Mag-explore pa ako dito sa Swipe One, no? After this video, mag-predict ako. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa baba, no? Para makapag-start ka na as early as possible. Huwag ka na magpapahuli guys. Maging maaga ka, manatili kang active at simulan mo na mag-predict dito, no? Ang dali lang tandaan, no guys? Just swipe, predict, earn, and repeat, no? So ilalagay ko yung link sa baba, no, ng description para makapagsimula ka na ngayon as early as possible. Huwag kalimutang i-like, subscribe, and share mo sa mga tropa mong manghilig maghula, no? And guys, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.